formation. As they push up, we open fire.
No,
do the Macarena.
we do Civil War status where we just take a step forward, one shot, reload, shoot again, reload.
No, but at the same time, we all fuck with our hop-ups beforehand and we shoot sideways.
What if we all just rush right?
You want to?
Yeah, just everyone rush
Hey, everyone rush right. Everyone rush right.
I'm gonna hold left for you.
He's gonna get like all the kills. Go. This is gonna be amazing.
I got the shields to stay behind me.
God damn it, there's a BB on my.
Is that us? How's it going? Oh, damn. It's not over. One in there, one in there. Yeah, I'll go first. No eyes on anyone? I got no eyes.
I think you're on the opposite building right there. It's ricochets coming out of that.
They're definitely in the far building. Wait, left side alley. Left side alley.
I can't get a shot. I can't get a shot, man. I can't get a shot.
Use me as cover if need be.
Got one.
That hit him. He didn't call it.
Yo, buddy, call your hits. I got you, buddy. Hit you in the mouth. This guy's fucking for real. Right in the single. Let's rush him. Let's rush him.
Yeah, I got him now.
There we are. There we are, buddy.
That was right on his head. That's why he called it.
That's good for both of us. This guy's fucking 8 bullets like fucking Terminator T-800. You wanna push up?
Which way?
That's the opposite building.
I don't know if anyone's on right. Take a look on. Oh.
Got him!
Nice, nice.
You got it, buddy.
Anyone on right?
There you go.
We got friendly left side.
Start right. The thing right's open. We're pushing up. We're pushing up.
Friendly pushed up right.
Yep. Friendly. Oh shit! We got contact on that building. Contact in second story.
Shit.
We got contact in second story.
Gun jam, gun
I got
jam.
him. I got him. Woo! Got the little guy.
Gun jam.
I got one.
I got gun jam. Fuck.
Fuck yeah, dude.
My gun's jammed.
Jam?
Yeah.
Yes, guns. We got a gun jammed over here. Breathe, motherfucker, breathe.
Breathe, darn you! Yeah. Anybody got like a? Oh fuck.
I don't know.
Check a grenade at me. I'm going.
Let's go pick up this fucking chuckle rocket someone.
Am I recording?
You are recording. Good
Okay,
sir.
thank you.
My opinion is the only one that matters. Yes.
And it's shit.
Thank you.
Pretty
I've
fucking.
been hit there.
No, I just want to touch in the hole.
Pretty fucking shit.
In the hole.
Oh, flesh.
Fleshy flesh.
And oil.
Flesh and oily flesh.
And lots of sweat.
It's like, hey, can you give me a scratch? I can. It's like, here, I got you.
The one spot on. I got shot that the other day.
If you can fit 2 fingers in there, that's bonus point.
Here we go. Little. Net out! Hit! Thank you! Oh, you shot the guns! I think I can still be in! Oh well.
That's cool. Yeah, you were fine. I was like, I think I felt that. That was cool. I've never hit by one of those. That's awesome.
Yeah, thanks. Right here, use me as...
Oh, I see him.
He's just watching me.
Yeah.
Use me as cover,
I'm right in you, buddy. I'm like right here.
Do you see him?
Yeah.
Yeah, he got hit. He didn't call it. Green man!
I'm trying to shoot him between. I can't really get it.
No, he's gone.
So he's gone?
Yeah.
He went further behind it. He gets shot in the head.
That's a mighty nice pose for you, man.
Shot him in the head finally. And he called it, man.
He hasn't gone now, so.
Weirdest position I've ever taken.
Hey man, I'm gonna shoot you in the ass, okay? There's a lot of wasps out here.
What a Jerry!
You got it?
Jumped on him. I'm surprised my arm moved faster than a trigger finger.
I mean, you left behind.
I got his face. I am so sorry. I am so sorry. You can shoot me. Shoot me. Well, you didn't shoot me. I shot you.
You shoot me and then I shoot him. I like how Pendragon's getting. Oh, I was gonna say. Oh, why in the arm? Of course, that was just nothing. No, I show you were I'm no expert, but I think you lost in this situation. I did. I got shot in the mouth and then I got shot in the arm.
Hey, am I recording?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, guys, we're gonna do one more round so I can record this one. All right? Ready? Take aim!
Shoot the head!
Ow! Ow! I got shot! I am so glad I'm not behind that! I did too! You're friendly? I'm gonna push next to you, okay? If you go with my shield, I got a grenade. Yeah. Grenade out! Push forward! That's friendly, that's friendly. Friendly. That's game.
I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever.